Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do, we're going to create a couple of functions and we're going to pass some arguments to the functions and open a text file on the desktop. I've already got a text file on the desktop called w.txt, so we'll create a function called choice here. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called file name and assign it to the file name that's on my desktop, which is called w.txt. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to create a path to my desktop. So create the variable path and assign it to my desktop path, which is c://users mark desktop. This is the desktop path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different. Then what we do is we use os.chdr, change directory, into this path above. So that will change us into this path now. Also remember to import os. Okay, so that's file name there. Now we're going to create a variable called entry and assign it to input to get the user input, and then we tell the user what we want them to import. So in this case, open file name, so the user will input a file name. No, they won't input a file name, they will input either yes or no. So if entry is equal to yes, then I'm creating a function here called open file, and in the parenthesis here I'm using file name. Or else, if that's not the case, we use the else catch-all here, and we're just going to simply print a message that says bye. Then we will quit the program by typing in quit. Okay, now we'll create the open file function here. And so this is the open file function. And in here we will type in file name, the little brackets here, file name, pass the argument. Okay, so with open, and then what we do is we type in file name here, which we created in the last function, and then we use the little R flag here to read the file. Then we type in as file object. Then we create another variable called contents and we assign that to file object. .read to read the file. Then we print out the contents using the print command, print contents. Okay. Oops. Actually, no, I should have that. So I'm going to type it back now. File name. What was I thinking of? Okay. So that's file name w.txt, which is on my desktop right now. I'll just show you that. There's the file w.txt. Okay, let's go back to the program. Right, we're going to run it, save it, and we're going to run it. But before we run it, we have to call it. So we're going to call this function called choice here. Let's run it. Let's increase the font size there a little bit so we can see what we're doing. Type in no. Okay, so no, so it's goodbye. Okay, we're going to run it again, and this time we're going to open the file. So we're going to type in yes, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. This is a file. So I hope you enjoyed that program, and remember to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.